You want to be able to look underneath and in between the numbers and be able to tell stories with it.
So what's the first thing you notice when you look at a new client's finances?
So for most people, 99% of entrepreneurs is that they don't actually have anything telling that they can look at. Okay, when I first look at their finances is that they don't have the information that they need to tell stories with it. Okay, most of these entrepreneurs have a bookkeeper or a tax CPA who's putting together their books, for compliance reason to file a tax return. So the way these books are set up is that they're good enough to file a tax return and tell the government, hey, did I make money, did I not make money, and be done with it. But there's no depth into it. There's no insight. So there's no way for us really to take apart. Because at the end of the day, if you really want to do any kind of both financial analytics, what you want to do is that you want to be able to look underneath and in between the numbers and be able to tell stories with it. You need to be able to answer questions like, how am I making money? Right? You need to be able to answer questions like, what kind of cost do I have? Does it make sense? Do these kind of margin make sense? Which one of my services have more margin? Where am I spending money on my overhead? What kind of overhead? Are they investment for future revenue, or are they, support, or are they really a waste? Right? And then moving on over to balance sheet or cash flow statement. How is my cash flowing in? Right? Profit and cash are closely related cousins, and the fastest way or permanent way to positive cash flow is profitability. Yet most entrepreneurs they don't think like that, and therefore, because they don't think like that, and their accountant and bookkeepers are really just trying to get it done for compliance reason, they don't think like that either. So if you don't marry business and financial together, you won't be able to tell stories with your number. And if you don't tell stories with your numbers, there's really nothing to talk about.